Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Hey, this is another story. Who do us in Yoruba land? Hey, they say Fulani people are now in Badagiri, Lagos State, installing their Seriki. So soon. The Yorubas they have forgotten what the Fulanis have done to them in Ilorin, Afonja, and the Alimi story. Here, what is going on in Badagiri area of Lagos State. They say Fulani organizations stormed Lagos for installation of Mohammed Umar as a Seriki Fulani of Badagiri. Hey, the traditional ruler of Kwame Kingdom in Badagiri, Lagos State, Oba Sejiro James, the Aholu of Kwame, has installed Alhaji Mohammed Umar as the Seriki Fulani of Badagiri. Hey. The installation ceremony was graced by all Fulani social cultural organizations in the southwest and the neighboring Republic of Benin, presenting him with the traditional staff as bits of Sito Gwetrome community along Seme Expressway, Badagiri. James said the Fulani are peace-loving people. Hey, though the stool you are on is too high, you have been endorsed by God today, and he will be guiding you, he said. The traditional ruler urged the new Seriki Fulani to always be on top of situations in Badagiri communities. According to him, there have been issues between pastoralists and farmers in Badagiri, but God has always been in control. He urged him to have in his cabinet someone who would represent him in some other communities in Badagiri, so that he would be on top of the situation of things. Alhaji Saidu Yusuf, the chairman APC Arewa community in Lagos State, urged Fulani and Yoruba to join hands to achieve their goal of unity and growth. Yusuf said they should put politics apart and work for development of their communities. Alhaji Mohammed Laba, the Seriki Fulani of Abeokuta and chairman Meyeti Allah Southwest, said the installation of such leaders played great roles in resolving conflicts. One of our own is being installed. We are happy we are in Badagiri. This is from grassroots, and it will spread to everywhere. He urged the new Seriki to ensure that pastoralists residing in communities in the area shunned hideous crimes and harboring criminals. We want peaceful relationship with our host communities who have given us land which we are enjoying. We have been in this place doing our business peacefully without being harmed, and we will give the same in return, he said. Alhaji Adamu Aminu Dugara, the chairman Arewa Council of Chiefs, Lagos State, said his people would continue to remain committed to the welfare and well-being of all and sundry in the state. The Aholu of Dale, Wedako, Aholu Olusegun Weto, prayed that God would give the new Seriki the wisdom to rule his people. In his address, the new Seriki Fulani assured that he would work to address the pressing issues of poverty, education, and the healthcare of his people. According to him, we must also preserve our culture, our cultural heritage and traditions, while embracing innovation and progress. Omar pleaded with his people to follow the rules, terms, and conditions given to them for cow rearing, and also support Badagiri people. He promised to continue to work to promote the interest of their culture and ensure everyone lived in peace and harmony. Other traditional rulers at the installation are Oba Adekanmi Oyekanmi, the Alapa of Apa Kingdom, traditional chiefs, representatives of Nigerian police and army, and other important personalities in Badagiri and Lagos State. And Lagos, my people, this is what we are saying. Hey, that when will the Yorubas will learn? See what they've done to them in Ilorin. Till today, the Fulanis are the one ruling Ilorin. Now, they are giving them chiefs, Seriki, what they cannot do in other part of Nigeria. Well, in the comment section, hear what some of our people are saying. They don't give Fulani herdsmen allow small time. Now, they will be looking for allowances. The Fulani tried this nonsense in Edo State some times ago, but they reaped the wrath of Edo people. It is only in Yoruba land that this rubbish can happen. Did the Yoruba not hear of the plans to do this? If yes, what was their response? Nothing. If Igbos were involved, hell would have been let loose. The fact is that the Yoruba don't know their real enemies. Yes. Oba Serejo James, your traditional name is Mr. Sorry. That is your second name and third name. Says another one. Seriously, his name na sorry. When those Fulani will storm that place, displace him from the palace and take over the entire Badagiri, they would be like they are dreaming. Set of deceitful people, dangerous, wicked killers. You don't know anything. Yorubas have lost their brains because of religion. Now Fulanis have conquered them. This is what money will cost. Well, Badagiri far from me. Sha, if I hear say it don't happen on those streets, all this Yoruba Lagos king like money, liking money. All Yoruba Lagos king like money pass their people. When they start killing you and collecting your lands, don't call us. Eat what you have given, what they have given you. You now alone don't give us, so that you will remind yourselves when they will start whipping out you and your generations. When they will be wiping you out, you and your generations to come. He sold his birthright for cows. Hey, a big mistake. And Badagiri indigenous, they are watching. I pity you people, says another one. Emilekon is delivering the promise he made. On our mandate, they shall stand. Igbo should leave for Fulani community to take over. Yeah, they smell. 50 years to come, James generations yet unborn will be begging to question why their great grandfather allowed this to happen to them, why Lagos State is allowed this. You forgot Afonja visitors, Alimi, so quick. Afonja and the Alimi that took over Ilorin. Now, wow. Colonization is playing out gradually. God help the Southwest. I thought guys were always together. But the famous Yoruba story of Cook and Fox about to written and played out. They will collect your land the way they collected quarrel from Yorubas. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That Yorubas, they should shine their eyes, see what they are doing to them in Oyo State. The Fulanis, killing them, taking their children, their wives, raping their wives and their daughters. Still, they are giving a Fulani chance in Badagiri. Let's they try it in the east, or middle, or Delta, or Edo State, or in Ondo State. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, and love. God bless Nigeria. God bless Lagos State. Thanks and God bless. Amen.